you hear me? It's Dr. K. I'm here live. I'm not a cat. I'm willing to proceed with neck adjustments.